So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create new home page on Zoho CRM account, and for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now go with this first website. Now you have to select. Now after coming on the website, you will need to log into your account and then click on profile icon and then select access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon and go with customize homepage. Now you have to select this button right here called new homepage, and after that you need to customize your homepage according to yourself, and after finishing your customization you just need to click on save and share. After that you will need to name your homepage. Let's say we'll name Thompson, and you can also share your roles right here. You can choose between CEO or manager, and you can also put your homepage description right here, and then you just need to click on this button right here called save. After that you guys will able to access your two home pages on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to use multiple home pages on your Zoho CRM account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.